In this video, I want to talk to you about making money using the System.io affiliate program. Also, a little bonus tip. When you're inside the affiliate marketplace for System.io, you can actually make 60% commission for promoting System.io itself as a product. But when you're inside your dashboard, you have the ability to sell your own products, and you have the affiliate dashboard for making commissions for promoting the System.io product itself. The bonus tip and the little known idea here is stacking the commissions based upon the products that are available here inside of the marketplace when you sign up for your free account. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to my crash course to explain all this. But right now, I want to dive into my proven strategy. It's called my affiliating 9-step roadmap for building a profitable online business. My proven top strategy is understanding that you need traffic. Traffic is about picking a topic. In this case, it's about showing people how System.io works and how they can make money online as one of the tools and the technology that is required to invest their time, just like you are going to do, to create consistent content to let people know about the System.io offer. Again, inside the System.io marketplace, once you sign up for your free account, link in the description for my crash course to dive deeper into this concept and this idea to earn these 60% commissions. That will be your offer. And the idea here is to build an email list, using System.io and to automate passive income using the tools that System.io gives you, and then ultimately move to step 9 inside of the profitable 9-step roadmap, or the 9-step roadmap to build a profitable online business, which takes you to profit. And of course, if you start for free with System.io, it's pretty simple to actually get to a profit. Now, if you want to promote System.io and get to this 60% commission, what you need alongside this proven top strategy and the 9-step roadmap that you see right here, what you need to understand is different stages of awareness. Now, most people will start here and they'll think, okay, people are going to be product aware, meaning that I just need to mention System.io. Well, if you don't have a audience that is aware of the product, you might have people that don't even realize that they have a problem that System.io can solve. They just know that they want to make money online. Then you have people that are problem aware. They know that they want to make money online and they need a set of tools. They just don't know which ones to use. Then you have people that are solution aware. Again, they know of these all-in-one systems like System.io, page builders, funnel builders, blogs, a place where you can host webinars, all these tools, an email autoresponder that you get inside of System.io. And again, then once they know about System.io, they are aware of the fact that System.io might be the exact solution that they've been looking for. Then you might be able to find people that are what you would call most aware. And of course, this is the 5 stages of awareness. And this comes from Eugene Schwartz, the creator, the writer of Breakthrough Advertising that was written in 1960. This is the Bible, the marketing Bible, the ad Bible, the go-to resource that we all use to understand where people are when they're trying to make a decision to find a product or a solution that solves their problem. So that takes us back to the 5 stages of awareness. We'll clean this off the board. Unaware stage, problem aware stage, solution aware stage, product aware stage, most aware stage. What's another way I can help you here in this video? I'm going to show you how to let AI create content for each one of these stages of awareness. And I'm going to give you that prompt right here in this video for free, and you can use Gemini to do this, and just pause this if you need it, but this is the prompt that you need. Create me a list of videos to promote System.io for each of the 5 stages of awareness from Eugene Schwartz in Breakthrough Advertising on YouTube. Give me a title, a summary of the video, and a keyword for the video to be found in search with a short explanation why the video works for each stage. Give me a call to action for each video and an idea for a lead magnet with a headline and a benefit for the squeeze page to add them to my email list to follow up with them with an automated email sequence. And we're going to be creating that squeeze page and that automated email sequence inside of this prompt. All that's going to be created inside of System.io to promote System.io and any of the other products in their affiliate program. So here's a list of YouTube video ideas promoting System.io tailored to Eugene Schwartz's 5 stages of awareness, along with suggested lead magnets and calls to action. Unaware stage, and we'll just look at this first example. The title is You're struggling to grow your business online. There's a better way. You're going to create a video here that addresses the general frustration of online business owners struggling with various tools and platforms. It's going to highlight common pain points. Got some keywords here that you're going to go for in search, and it's going to tell you also why this works. This video targets those who are unaware of a solution like System.io, and it gently introduces the idea that there's a better way to manage their online business, sparking curiosity. You'll also have a call to action, and Gemini right here, AI is giving you a headline as well as a benefit to put on your lead magnet, the lead magnet squeeze page, to let people know, hey, stop wasting your time and money. Get the 5 common mistakes guide now, which of course you could easily create here with Gemini as well. So you have unaware stage, problem aware stage, all broken down for you, solution aware stage, product aware stage, as well as the most aware stage, which is, in this case, you would be showing people your System.io success story, how you grew your business. And you could say here by 10x, the feature, this video features a case study, which would be something that you would do over time to get to people that are aware or most aware of System.io and are looking for real success stories. So you have all that information again, most aware, product aware, or most aware, product aware, solution aware, problem aware, unaware, a lot of wares. I want you to understand, just go ahead and pause. I'm giving you this prompt right here. You can use it with any AI that you want to. Now that you understand Eugene Schwartz's 5 stages of awareness and you're aware of exactly how to do this. So you take all that information and you go back, and all you have to do is sign up for a free account to start earning this 60% commission and tap in to all these different audiences that are at these different levels. And again, to promote this product, as well as tapping into the marketplace with over 1,000 products that you can tap into to, again, double up on your effort here inside of System.io as a one-stop shop for finding affiliate products to promote using the affiliate marketplace that comes with your free System.io account. So we had the 9-step roadmap and the proven top strategy. Again, generate traffic. So we're talking about creating consistent content over here, which is actually your traffic source, bringing people up to a super simple lead magnet, which of course would be a page that you would build with inside of System.io, and then moving people up to your email list. So traffic to an offer, which is System.io at 60% commission, putting people on an email list, and then automating all this and getting to profit. And again, you could actually do this starting for free. So what this looks like really is there's people out on the internet. They are looking for solutions to their problems, or maybe they don't know what their problem really is. They're just looking for, in this case, a way to make money. You are going to create content, for example, content here on YouTube, posting on social media, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want. And inside of your content, you're going to add a link in the description, like the link to my crash course. That's going to take people over to your squeeze page. A squeeze page you can easily build inside of System.io. And then the big thing is you're going to put them on your email list. And again, this tool is available for you inside of System.io to deliver email back over to your System.io, or using your affiliate link to get people back to the System.io sales page where you can earn money as an affiliate for System.io. And we're talking about 60% here, 60%. And you get all the tools right here inside of System.io for your contacts, to add tags to a contact list so you can follow up with them, build a blog, a sales funnel, even a digital store, emails. You can automate all of this. You can also build communities and courses. And inside my proven top strategy, and we'll wipe this off the board, I'm going to talk about driving traffic. One of the things that I like to do is utilize the bonus aspect, or creating a bonus. For example, when you're promoting System.io or any of the other products over there in their affiliate marketplace, you can create a bonus. You can come back to the dashboard here, earn these 60% commissions, and you could create your own course and or a community, or put both of them together as a bonus. and show people exactly how you're promoting System.io or how you're using System.io successfully, and they can do the same thing. So again, you're looking at people over to your content. Your content is the traffic that drives the engine, which builds your email list using the simple tools that System.io gives you to build your super simple squeeze page to add people to an email list, and eventually right here, get them over to your affiliate link so they land on the System.io sales page, which is right here. All you do is come here, it says sales page, you click promote. That is your affiliate link. Down there in the left-hand corner, you're going to see a long string, which is going to be your affiliate link. And inside my crash course, I'm going to explain exactly how that works. To clean that up, make it a little more presentable, use my proven top strategy, and start earning with the System.io affiliate program. Link in the description, my crash course, it's free. Thanks for checking this out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.